everyone needs to understand that AI is not just one more technology. AI is a fundamental change in the ways in which the tectonic plates of the ways in which technology is being used is going to transform everything, including our world of higher education. AI at ASU is therefore a strategic consideration for the institution, and it involves fundamentally rethinking the ways that we have been, as the rest of higher education has been, an application-centered world, a student information system, a learning management system, tools that support tutoring, tools that support testing, tools that support assessment, all separate tools in an application-centered world in which we think we have a lot of data, but actually we know almost nothing about the student experience end to end. AI unlocks the opportunity to go from an application-centered experience into one that truly has the data creating a journey that allows the institution to support the student's success, rather than the brittle ways in which we try to bring together data from these discrete historical application-centered worlds. At ASU, AI is an invitation to rethink and redesign the fundamental ways in which we've organized and the fundamental ways in which we can now achieve the aspirations of the institution to be indeed student-centered. Rather than, truth be told, the LMS is a management system. It's not a learning system. The student information system is actually not about the students. It's actually about the institution. This is an opportunity for us to completely change the architecture of the model. And along the way, it's an opportunity to unlock fantastic research opportunities, fantastic ways in which to transform the factory model of education, which has been around the world for the last 100 years or more, into a promise around customized and personalized learning that allows the faculty responsible for the pedagogy and responsible for the curriculum to realize that when you're working with one student in the world of AI, you can customize that one student's experience, rather than figuring out how do you deliver a teaching experience to the middle of a 500 student lecture in order to try to capture as much of the epiphany, the light bulbs going off as you can through the ways in which you lecture or the ways in which you use a case method or other kind of pedagogical techniques. So the promise of AI is the promise to unlock a fully customized and personalized experience. And that's what we're actually doing at ASU.